Tata Sons may raise up to $1 billion. Tata Sons Ltd is thinking about a $1 billion raise money to back a new value implantation into bunch organizations, including Tata Motors Limited and Tata Power Limited, two individuals mindful of the improvement said. The leading group of the Tata Bunch Holding organization talked about potential roads for the Gather pledges at its gathering on Friday, the individuals referred to above said on State of Namelessness. The board talked about different Gather pledges alternatives accessible, and is probably going to before long take an official conclusion in such manner, said the first of the two individuals, including, the assets will be brought up in both rupee and dollar. Incomes of both Tata Motors and Tata Power were affected as India and a great part of the world proclaimed clearing lockdowns following the coronavirus flare-up. Tata Motors has battled with feeble deals in the previous scarcely any months, posting lost 9,894 crore rupees in the March quarter. In May, a report from financier firm CLSA said the organization's Indian business had no value esteem left, highlighting rising net obligation levels and COVID-19 upsetting its deleveraging plans. The report said there was minimal any desire for a recuperation in its household traveler and business vehicle portions either. CLSA said Tata Motors' extravagance vehicle unit Jaguar Land Rover (JLR) is the main driver of the company's valuation, as incomes from JLR have added to 79% of its merged deals, while local business vehicle income has fallen 32% from a year sooner. Recently, Tata Power educated the trades it would raise 2,600 crore rupees from advertiser Tata Sons through a rights issue to fortify its asset report, which would raise the parent's shareholding by 10%. Tata Power is taking a shot at a vital turnaround intended to reinforce the essentials of the organization through a blend of divestment and business rebuilding that will deleverage the asset report and improve the capital structure of the organization. These activities are required to improve the essentials and lead to an improvement in long-haul investor esteem, it had said. Tata Power as of late finished the offer of 3 boats for $212.8 million, the second resource deal after the divestment of its stake in Kenergy in South Africa for around $110 million. In a misfortune, in any case, not long ago, Gujarat chose to deny a past state government request that permitted it to pass on extra coal acquirement costs on the influence levy understanding at its Mundra plant. The choice set back long periods of dealings between Tata Power and the 5 state governments who have consented to buy from it, in the background of rising universal coal costs settling on old force buy understandings unviable.